Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off share albums in photos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and then tap on photos. Next, in photos, scroll down, then tap on share albums. When you tap on the toggle button to switch it off, it says here turn off share albums will delete all share photos from your iPhone. So tap on OK if you want to go ahead. And tap on the toggle button again to switch it back on. And this will allow you to create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's share albums. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.